the look on my face. He was like, I ain't gonna mess with Barnes today. So I need to call him or text him and be like, hey, I apologize if I was rude today, but I was going through a lot, which I was, because it was like people can't come to work and we got to deal with these kids because these parents don't send these kids regardless, because guess what? It's the end of the school year, and these parents said these kids ain't about to stay home. They taking a us to school. So staff can say they don't want to come to work, but the parents got the right to send their students to school. And that's like, ugh. So my morning started off rough. It was crazy. Whew. I'm kind of full. Them crowds did have a lot of meat in it. I was grateful for this plate and my Sprite, even though, I don't know, I prefer like Mountain Dew or something. But I prefer the flavored Mountain Dew. I don't know if I want to get me a van, because them transits, they looking pretty expensive. Let me show y'all this van right here. That's a nice little van right there, right? I might get that for as my car to sleep in, to travel in, instead of like a transit or a RV or a mobile home. To travel the world. I don't know how far I'm gonna go. Hi. But I really want it. Yes. But the nighttime for me is a lot cooler. It's starting to get warm for me too. Like not warm, swaggy. It's getting scorching hot. Hold on, y'all looking at the sky right now. Sorry. Oh my God. Okay. Look, I had this bag, and these clouds are going in this bag. Thank you, Lord. So glad I had that bag for a rainy day. So I put my crabs in the bag so they don't mess up my car. I'm gonna have to go find me another one of them bags. I don't know where I got it from, but just in case I have another rainy day like today and I need somebody to put them crabs, I'm gonna have that space. Oh, that was, I guess, okay. Them people came out here to eat they dinner, and now they going home. I'm gonna put this in my right here so it don't move.